In this video, we'll discuss the practice problem that follows the magnesium and oxygen make magnesium oxide lab. Here you're being asked to imagine doing a similar type experiment where you combine two elements and want to find out the, as Dalton would say, definite proportion between the two atoms in the compound. But first, we'll use the data to find the percent by mass of the two elements in the compound. Now, recall that any percentage compares the part to the whole, and we always compare mathematically by division. So the way we'll calculate the percentage is by dividing the part by the whole, multiplying by 100. So in this case, you would divide the 19.50 grams of zinc that make up the 95.17 grams of zinc iodide, multiply by 100, and we get 20.49%. We do the same thing with the iodine, comparing the amount of iodine we would have started with the total amount of the zinc iodide. And here we get 79.51% of the material by mass was iodine. You won't be surprised to find that if you add the two percentages that they come to 100. Next, we'll find the formula for the zinc iodide. In other words, we need to find the values of the subscripts x and y that give us the ratio or proportion of the number of zinc atoms to iodine atoms in the zinc iodide. The first step is to find the number of moles present in our sample of each element. So we start with our 19.50 grams of zinc. We'll want to make sure to put grams of zinc in the denominator of our molar mass ratio, and then of course 1 mole of zinc on the top. Then we complete the skeleton by anticipating our final units of moles of zinc. Looking up the value of the molar mass, we put that in and get our result of 0.298 moles of zinc. Next, we'll do the same process to find out how many moles of iodine we have. Next, we find the ratio between our two mole values. We compare the values by division, and it comes out perfectly to 0.5, or 1 over 2, which gives us the formula for zinc iodide as ZnI2. Finally, what would you do if you wanted to find the formula and all you knew were the percentages by mass? Well, that's easy. Just pretend that whatever amount that you have as a percentage is how many grams you have. From there, calculate the number of moles of zinc, and then go on and do the same thing for the iodine, and calculate the ratio just like you did a moment ago, and you're done.